बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज फॉर एमटीए 202 मिड टर्म 2025। लेट g be the function defined by gx is equal to 3x plus 2, then g o g होगा तो 9x plus 8. If a set A has 5 elements, then power set of A B contain elements which are a की power 5. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास इफ एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स एंड जी ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू -2x देन एफ प्लस जी एक्स इज इक्वल टू -x। जस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आ रहे हैं, हम इसमें से वही करेंगे। एफ ऑफ 4 इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड जी ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल टू 4 देन एफ ऑफ जी 1 इज इक्वल टू 1। इफ एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2x plus 1 then f of gx is equal to 2x square minus 1. The same element can never appear twice in a set. False. In Boolean addition, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Let A is equal to ABC and R is equal to AC, BB, CA be a relation on A is R symmetric. Asymmetric and antisymmetric are not negative for each other. Inverse of a function may not be a function. True. Negative for the given statement, negation for the given statement. The train is late or my watch is fast. The train is not late and my watch is not fast. 10 की power 2, 10 की power 3, 10 की power 4, 10 की power 5 up to so on is arithmetic series. Function defined by the following diagram: f into x goes to y was 1 to 1 and on to. If A is equal to ABCD, then the number of elements of power set P are 2 to the power 4. If P is equal to T, Q is equal to T, R is equal to F, then इस इक्वेशन के अकॉर्डिंग मस्ट भी क्या होगा? तो a set Z has n elements. How many functions are from Z to Z? N plus n. Let A has the same coordinately as B if and only if there is a dash corresponding between set A and B, both A, B 1 to 1 and on to. Let A is equal to 1 to 3 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, then both A and B. The negation of the implication: if the P is a square, then P is rectangle. If P is not a square, then P is not a rectangle. ये बाकी जो एमसीक्यूज गुजर रहे हैं आप लोग उनको एक दफा देख लो, लेकिन जो इम्पोर्टेंट वही है जिन्हें मैं रीड आउट कर रही हूँ. The statement of the form P negation P is truth logic. The product of the positive integer from 1 to n is called n factorial. Let A नंबर है हमारे पास, B R के भी नंबर है, then all given option are true, क्योंकि सिमेट्रिक भी है, एंटीसिमेट्रिक भी है, ट्रांजिटिव भी है और रिफ्लेक्सिव भी है. Which of the given statement is incorrect? Function cannot be defined recursively. The total number of elements in a set is called Ordinality. A circle with two input signal and one output signal is called AND gate. The order pairs which are not present in a relation must be present in complementary relation of that relation. A binary relation R is called partial order relation if it is recursive, antisymmetric, and transitive. A statement that is always true regardless of the truth value of the statement variable called truth logic true. The row in truth table of an argument where all premises are true is called critical row. The navigation of today is Friday is today is not Friday. बस ये जो एमसीक्यूज तो मैंने रीड आउट करके दिए ये वाला इम्पोर्टेंट थे बाकी आप करना चाहें तो वो आपकी मर्जी है ना करना चाहें तो वो भी आपकी मर्जी है